National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaSalle County in north-central Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Amboy to near Depew to Henry, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Peru, LaSalle, Mendota, Marseilles, Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Seneca, Somonauk, Earlville, North Utica, Serena, Wayona, Leland, Tonka, Grand Ridge, Naplate, and Millington. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 41 and 77. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 102. This includes Buffalo Rock State Park, Illini State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, Starved Rock State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central, north-central, and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a summary